I'd like to use today to give you a little bit more information about our Pro, because we now got more and more our end user like our Pro very much. But what makes our Pro very special? I'd like to start from here, okay? First, it's indeed good looking, but that's not the most important thing. Is a very important thing for all the Hobolite is we have a dual driver design inside of each light. Means no matter which kind of color temperature you set there, like the 2700 TK or 6500 TK, you will get exactly same output. When we say Pro is 300 watts, you will get 300 watts on each color temperature when you set there. You won't see any difference. You will understand there's a difference compared to something in the market. This is one thing. And the second thing is, many of our customers really enjoy by playing on that. It's a little bit too high for me. I will adjust a little bit. So they really enjoy do the adjustment here. It's such a beautiful, smooth feeling. It's just like the clock. You really enjoy the movement. And the other thing is, we have fantastic design here is the remote controller. When we use our light, we need our light together with our camera. So I'd like to bring this remote controller with me and then walking to where my camera is and then do the adjustment. But it's too bright, so I'd like to adjust immediately. So you will see it will be adjusted easily in this way. And also I can adjust also the color temperature here. So you can see the color temperature also be adjusted. So that's why we designed such a remote controller. This is indeed give you a lot of convenience, and anytime when you put here, it will automatically with the magnet to bring them back, and then it will charge by the driver. So this is about the remote control. And the other thing is, you might notice we also allow you to mount the V-mount battery. But some of the tips we'd like to highlight there is, a lot of people say, hey, it's really a short running time by using the V-mount battery on the Pro. Yes, it is. It is very short. It's just 20 minutes. And I can tell you why, because I'm an engineer. So it's all about math. This is a 300 watts light. And then most of the V-mount battery, when we talk about V-mount battery, because you're normally going to be on the plane a lot. And on the plane, you cannot bring any battery pack over 100 watt hours. So means most of the V-mount battery we're talking about is like a 99 watt hour maximum. So two of them together is less than 200 watts actually. So means you maximum can provide like a 40 minutes. So with two batteries together, you can run 40 minutes theoretically. But in reality, the watts of the 300 watts can be very high for the input watts. And then the V-mount battery, they can drop very fast. They rapidly go down to a very low watts output. So that create a result is by using a smaller, like a less than 100 watt hour V-mount battery, you cannot run long time, especially when the battery is not full charge. Let's say less than 50% of the capacity, you couldn't run a 300 watts, which is normal because if you understand the math. But if you really want to use the V-mount battery, we will recommend on the Pro using some battery pack more than 150 watt hour. That will give you sufficient power to run the 300 watts Pro for about 1 hour.